Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech Wisdom and welcome to another simple tutorial video here. And in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a zip file on your Windows PC. It is really easy and simple. So let's start the video. First of all, I'm going to zip file some picture. You can do it with your doc file or PDF file or any videos. The process is same. Select the files that you want to make a zip file, and after selecting those files, I'm going to select four files, and after selecting that, just right click it, and here you can see the option send to, and then all you have to do is click this compress/zipped folder. Just click it, and as you can see, my zip folder is ready. You can change the name. I'm going to give it a name, picture. That's all. And as you can see, this is the zip file I now created. So in this way, you can easily create any zip file. So this is the video. I hope this video is helpful for you. And if this video does help you, please consider subscribing to this channel. And I will see you guys in the next video.